Today, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bitcoin.com wallet app. First of all, open the Bitcoin app on your device. Then, sign up for your account. I have already signed up. After that, click the Buy Bitcoin button, which you can find on the homepage. When you do that, you'll be taken to a new page. Now, it will ask you to enter the amount of Bitcoin in USD that you want to buy. For example, if I want to buy $2,500 worth of Bitcoin, I will receive approximately 0.02161 BTC. Once I've selected the amount, I can choose which wallet to receive the Bitcoin in. By default, I can select my BTC wallet. Then I tap Continue. Now, it will ask me to take some pictures. It will connect to MoonPay, which is a network that helps process your payment. Once your payment is processed, using your Visa, debit, or MasterCard, you'll be able to proceed, sign in, and verify your payment.